Hello everyone. In this session, we will introduce the topology remeshing of Atelier 7.0 software. First, to make the mesh visible, you need to locate the pop-up buttons and then click on Fabric. You can find the button to display the mesh here. Next, select the pattern related to topology remeshing. In the Property Editor, locate Miscellaneous, and then open the Mesh Type section within its panel. Then, change the triangle mesh to quad mesh. Due to the internal line, irregular wiring has appeared in the mesh. For batch selection of internal lines, first right-click in the blank area, then choose Lock All Outlines from the menu. This way, when we box select internal lines, we won't be disturbed. Right-click and select Delete Edge from the menu. Now, we just need to redo the topology remeshing tasks to obtain a neat mesh. Lastly, adjust the particle distance according to your needs. This can change the density of the mesh. When we individually remeshing a pattern, there may be mismatches at the seams with adjacent patterns and the mesh grid. To solve this problem, you just need to simultaneously remeshing these patterns. Sometimes, applying subdivision to patterns can result in mesh topology that is overly dense or messy. Here, we need to double-click to select all outlines of this pattern. Then, in the Property Editor, uncheck the subdivision option for the lines. You can see that deselecting the subdivision option for the lines removes the dense effect on the mesh. We can remesh multiple patterns simultaneously. After completing remeshed actions in bulk, inconsistencies in particle distance across patterns may arise. To solve this problem, we need to reselect these patterns. Then, enter the desired numerical value for the particle distance and press Enter. After completing all adjustments to the mesh details, it's advisable to remesh all patterns together again. Finally, we just need to remesh individual patterns once more. The above constitutes all the content of the topology remeshing introduction for version 7.0. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.